Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It is on fire.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to make Spanish rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of water, 1.5 cups of white rice. You want to rinse it and let it dry out. 8 ounces of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 of a small onion diced, 1/2 of a red bell pepper chopped, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Now to a 4-cup measuring cup, I'm going to add in my 2 cups of water. And I'm going to add in my tomato sauce. To our tomato sauce and water, we're going to add in our garlic salt, our ground cumin, our chicken bouillon powder, and also our onion powder. You just want to whisk it together until it's well combined. And this is going to make 3 cups all together. Once you're done mixing it, you can go ahead and taste it, and if you want to add any more chicken bouillon or any salt, you can. Now to my heated skillet, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You want that to come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our onion and our red bell pepper. You want to saute that for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to add in our white rice. I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. And you want to keep on stirring it for about 5 minutes. So it's nice and golden. You want to continuously stir it. I have my heat on medium. Once your rice is nice and golden, we're going to add in our minced garlic. And you just want to go ahead and mix that together until it's well combined. Now you can add in your broth. And go ahead and mix that together. We're going to let it come to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, you can go ahead and put your lid over top. You can lower your heat to low. We're going to let it continue to cook for 25 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 25 minutes. So now all we're going to do is let this sit for 10 minutes. You can turn off your heat. You want to leave your lid on top. So now after 10 minutes, all you want to do is go in and mix your rice up. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Spanish rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?